Hi everyone, so I am back with a package unboxing. I believe this is unboxing number 10, I believe. So I have 3 packages here and I'm going to go ahead and get them boxed. I think this is 10. I think it's 9 or 10. So we're going to start off and she's driving me nuts and so is he. Move. Okay, you guys gotta move. Go that way. So let's get this one open. This one is for my friend. So I kind of already know this arrived last night, but I wanted to. Was it last night? I think so. But I wanted to wait until more things came in before I open it. And I believe this is for her cousins. Don't make these so difficult to open up. I cut some things. Okay, coupons. Mail order. Okay, so I'll show it to you once I get it all out. So the first item, now these are for her baby cousins, so yeah. So this is the first item. It's kind of like, let me move these boxes out of the way. Sorry, I didn't mean to make you guys fall. Stop you guys. Just want to show you guys this. Okay, so here is their first outfit. And it's just like a kitty jump, just like a romper. And then this is the second outfit. And again, it's just in a romper. So those ones are for her cousins. So this one, I have another one. I have no idea what it's about. Okay, well you guys can't see what I'm doing. Okay, so I believe this one is okay, that is weird. This is like the mocked version of one of the books that I got called The Places You Will Go. And this is what they call it. And I think this is from my friend. I believe so. I'm not quite sure. Okay, so let's open up this Amazon box. And then you have this way so you just see as I go into it what's in here. I don't know what's in this. Okay, so let's open. Let's get these 2 boxes out. This is weird. Okay. What is this? Let's get this one open. Let's see what this is. This is not what I'm expecting now. I'm expecting something, but this is not what I'm expecting. Okay, so this one, I'm guessing, is for my friend's teacher. So this stuff is all for my friend, basically. And my cat just got a new box. So I'm just going to package that back up. Let's see what this one is. So was it what I was expecting? That's okay. And this is another thing from my friend. Yeah, not what I was expecting. Okay. So that stuff's all for my friend. All the stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna move this stuff in front here and just say thank you for watching. This is all the stuff that we got in today. Please stay tuned for other videos that will be arriving shortly after this. But otherwise, I want to say, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you soon. Bye!